Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Open it. Click at the bottom right corner on the three lines, select Settings and click I accept. Then customize your wallpaper however you want to. And when you're done, click at the top right corner on this X icon. Then the bottom one again, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!